Welcome to MakeForms tutorial series. In this video, we'll cover how the video field works. The video field is a non-input field used to display a video inside your form. It does not collect responses and is mainly used to provide context, explain something visually, or share product demos and walkthroughs. When you drag and drop the video field into your form, a default video appears automatically. By default, the video is displayed at full width, making it span the entire form container. This gives you an immediate preview of how video content will look inside your form. In the right side settings panel, you'll find the video URL field. Clear the existing URL and paste the link to the video you want to display. Once added, the video updates instantly in the form preview. To control the size of the video, use the video width setting. This allows you to adjust how much horizontal space the video occupies within the form. Setting the video to full width makes it span edge to edge, while reducing the width gives you more layout flexibility and enables alignment options. Next is the video alignment setting. This controls where the video sits within the form layout. You can align the video to the left, center, or right. The video field can be used not only within the main form flow, but also in the welcome screen and the thank you page. This makes it useful for introducing your form, explaining what users should expect, or showing a follow-up video after submission, especially in sign-up or onboarding flows. That's how the video field works in MakeForms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.